Hi everyone, welcome back to Hot Custom YouTube channel. I'm now at Vivo City, Singapore, where we have right in front of me is actually the Majorette pack. So I believe that this is actually the most impressive Majorette pack in the whole entire Singapore. And you can see here, there's a wide range of variety here in Majorette. In Singapore, Majorette is similar to Tomica. There is a lot of range of assortment here that we can see. And of course, we not forgetting the new 2018 arrival. So what you can see here is actually the alpha mods, I believe, the police department, police casting. So I believe that this is actually the fantasy series. It's actually come in quite a nice finishing. You actually have a armband, and you have actually that metallic blue sort of the spectra frame-ish look here. And of course, they have a range of 5. I believe that the shadow one is the bad guy. And what we can see here is actually the surprise wheels pack. So this surprise wheel actually inside will have a mystery majorette. And you can see here for all the wrapper, and you can see here this is actually unwrapped. I believe that this is actually unwrapped by certain individual or mostly a kid to just check whether inside got what car. So let me just open this out of curiosity, and this is actually a Nissan Vision 2020. So that's actually not very good in fact. You should just buy it and then honor it, but I believe that's just kid stuff. And this one is actually the Lamborghini set, which is the truck set, and that is the set that is actually I reviewed some time back, and this is actually the 5-pack. So this is a new 5-pack VW collection, and you can see here it's actually quite nice. Some of them I have reviewed it as well, and these are the new bitter and the now and then sort of the casting that we have. And of course the Alpha Mod Police Department series come in 5-pack as well. So you can see that 5-pack is actually the bad guy. The bad guy obviously got a skull there, and this is actually the other range. It look a little bit like the Transformers Constructicons, the combiners. So well, but it still looks awesome. I believe that it may be Luminous series, and they actually go quite wild for this Alpha Mod stuff. And well, I mean, let's come back to the license model. It actually is looking quite good, especially the panel van as well as the retro, sort of the retro-ish things, a little bit like the Beatles decor here. And behind what we can see here is actually the very nice packaging design as well as the illustration of the skyline where the 5 casting are there. So alright, let's browse through. These are some of the older model which I actually will just skip through. Oh, there's another one, you see, the surprise wheels pack. And let me just open it out of curiosity. What is this? Well, this is an Opel. So I believe that the kid or the guy just want to try whether there's a VW Red Bull Polo inside. I just put it back. Let me just hang this back, and we shall move on here. And what we have now, there's a promo. This can buy 2 of the Majorette car, you get 1 free. So it's actually quite a good deal now because it's the school holiday season, the period. Or you have to grow in the dark series, and this is actually the Honda CRZ. And this is actually also quite nice. There's a Mercedes AMG GT. There's actually a set of 5 cars. I believe that at the time of taking this video, 3 are only available. So later I will be going to another outlet, which is at Isetan. There will have the other 2 missing glow in the dark series that here do not have. So this is the Challenger. I believe that not all, you can see that here for right now, or there's 6. Yeah, there's 6. There's Citron as well. There's C4 Cactus. So I believe that it's not everything will be luminous, but I believe that it's the wheels and as well as the base. So the wheel and the base will be in luminous. The body will still be in diecast as well. Let me just test it. Yeah, I can actually see the luminosity there. So I believe that when it's actually in total darkness, it will actually stand out very well. Quite nice actually, the glow in the dark series with glow in the dark interior as well as the glow in the dark wheels. So that's not too bad. This is actually the showroom, the Lamborghini showroom. It actually is quite nice. I even quite like the packaging as well as the whole finishing of the whole showroom. And actually there is 2. So this is one of the, there's a 1 Lamborghini inside. and it's actually very nice. It actually caught my attention. I believe that this one will actually make a very nice diorama set for this. And of course you see at beside, right, there is actually the police series, so it's actually quite nice. I actually quite like this set. I think it's quite impressive to hold it. And then what we have here is actually the police, the sort of the police checkpoint here, where you have the Porsche with it, as well as the pit stop for the GT, the Gran Turismo pit stop. So there's a series of three new diorama playset that is actually coming here. So it's actually quite nice. And these are all the sort of the old display. And well, you can see here is actually the also for new for 2018, and this is actually the VW Beetle, actually quite nice. We have the VW Tiguan Pedal Bus, which is also quite nice. You can see that the surfboard as well as the rear actually can be open and closed, functional rear, and that is actually quite nice. You can see whether this Renault Alpine is actually quite nice, but later I will show you the other variant, which is actually not available in Toys R Us here. So this is the Porsche 934. These are all the new series, the new series for 2018. They come in wave, short bursts of wave. You can see here, this is actually the sort of the trailer series. This is the Explorer series, and this trailer, this is actually quite nice. It's actually very nice. I actually like the trailer a lot because it's sort of the cube. You can actually like tow the trailer and move it around. It's quite cool. Alright then, here is the overview. So the overview here is actually quite impressive. As you can see, there are tons of Majorette here. So of course, usually the popular model will be the first one to be gone, but Majorette will always actually replenish the pack. So there is actually something for everyone. Even if you do not have it today, you can come another day to check it out. You can see here the range, the full range of Majorette is actually very impressive here. So yes, I'm actually very impressed with most of the Majorette stuff here. And of course, we can actually move on to the next location. Alright, so here's the other location, and this is actually at Isetan next, which is Serangoon, which is also another part of the retail area. And this is actually the Alpine, which I actually told you a while back, but this one actually comes with a box, so it's actually quite nice. Even for this VW van, it's also very nice. It came in the box. It came with a box sort of like the Tomica or the Matchbox style, so that after, even if you take it out from the blister, you can actually still display in the box, and actually quite nice, come with a collector box. This is the one that we saw earlier, the VW T1, with the opening rear as well as the bonus surfboard, so it's actually very nice. So you can see here, this one actually came in, it's totally the same car, just that it actually comes with another box. So there's an option for you to choose whether you want a collector box or you actually don't want. It's quite nice. And of course, you can see here, this is actually the Citroen C4 Cactus. It's very nice. It's actually looking very cool. This is one of the very nice, awesome one which I like. And of course, these are basically all the new one. These are all the new series, the new for 2018 series. Especially this is actually very nice because it comes with the rally deco as well. So yeah, let's look at the other section. Let me hang this back first. That's quite nice because quite nostalgic looking also. Since 1964, my favorite miniature car. Oh, this is the glow in the dark. So just now we can't find the Nissan Gtr as well as the Subaru. Oh, here it is. The Subaru, the WRX. Actually, it's quite nice with the deco. It just came with the luminous fluorescent glow in the dark view set as well as the base. I believe the headlight as well. Oh, this is the Nissan Gtr. So it's hidden here. So two of these are hidden here, where you can actually can't find it in Toys R Us. So if you just run around, they are actually right now all over Singapore. So we have plenty of Majorette new release here now. So I believe that if you just go and look around, you can actually find all your desired model. So alright, thanks everyone for tuning to my channel, and remember to subscribe to Hot Custom YouTube channel. I do actually upload content to my video every week. Thanks everyone. Goodbye.